Hello and welcome to How to Make Money with Affiliate Marketing. Now, I'm going to go through a couple of key sticking points that people have, and then in a moment I'm going to go through a better way of doing things. So there's a couple of different sticking points that come to mind. So people often won't trust your offer if you don't spend time building that relationship with them and trying to offer lots of value. And when you are in a community, being active in it and actually showing that you want to provide value rather than just jumping the gun and dumping your affiliate link in a forum or straight away on a web page and just screaming to the hills that you want to give someone some special deal. Another sticking point that people can often have is that they don't think they're very techy, and they have a lot of trouble with all of the new age technology and trying to build a website and get the domain purchased and promoting things and ranking things and using video and getting pictures together and graphics design and all sorts of things. The other sticking point is that they can't get enough traffic, so they struggle to get people to their offers. They have this website they've spent ages building, and then no one comes to it, and they don't know why. And another sticking point is people don't like selling to their friends. They don't like being pushy and trying to sell something, even though that's kind of the whole point. And the other big sticking point is that they think that ads are quite expensive. And they want a better way of getting around it without having to dump heaps of money on ads without any clear ROI or return on investment. So one of the best ways to start off to get around the whole trust issue is to build know, like, and trust. So spending time with people, offering them value, showing them you have authority in an area, letting them know that you know what you're talking about, and giving them proof that this is a good offer and that you should buy it because you can show that it solves a problem they have, and you can spend time telling stories and building that bond. And another solution is that you don't necessarily have to have a website. You can just build a YouTube channel like this, or you can become an influencer on Instagram or TikTok, just posting little videos or little pictures and stories like that over time, daily or a few times a week over the course of a year or two, and then you'll just eventually gain momentum and word will get out there and people will find about you that way. And then once you have that authority and that following, then you can suggest products and offers to people and then just use your affiliate link that way. You don't necessarily have to have a website, so you don't even have to use social media if you don't want to. You will need some preferred platform, so you could just have a website if you want. You still will need to promote traffic to it, but if you don't want to use social media, you can do things like blogging as well, and using Google search traffic to get people to your offers. And if you have an offer, you can build that. You can link to an offer if you're using like a forum, you're a part of a community there, like Reddit, and you don't necessarily have to have your own website. You can just direct straight to an offer by using your affiliate link without having to have your own website. Now, you can also buy a custom domain, which helps with the branding, or you can just shorten the affiliate link using applications like Switchy. So Switchy or Bitly, things like that. Switchy is great because you can just buy a custom domain and you can redirect directly to an offer and have your custom domain in there. You can cloak the link, and even when they go to the actual offer page, it's still showing your link in the URL. And you can do all of this without actually having a website of your own. You just need to buy a custom domain, and you can do that through places like you can go through Namecheap, or you can go through Cloudflare, things like that. So the other alternative is to use a free page builder, and at the moment there's a great deal on for Groove Pages. So the Groove suite, GrooveDigital, have a fantastic group of products that they're offering for free at the moment, and you can also upgrade to the lifetime. But the free, you get a fully fledged page builder, You get up to three websites you can build there, 3 custom domains, you can share files with people, and you can also import pages as well. So it has a fully feature-rich set, and it's designed for digital marketing, and they actively allow affiliate marketing, which a lot of other sites don't. They're sort of frowned upon. And the other thing is you can, like I mentioned before, you can go on to Reddit and you can partner up with people, and you can share to different people's lists and groups. And you can use things like solos, which is using people's email lists to send out your material to promote that way. And then you can do email marketing as well. So you can have an opt-in page, which you can build in group pages. And then you have an offer, so an offer or a freebie like an ebook. And so people land on your opt-in page and they provide their email address, and you give them something of value, and then you can start an email sequence and then build up that relationship, and you can offer things to them and put your link in the email. And then also I've listed down there GrooveMail, so on the free account you can have up to 500 people, which is great when you're starting out, and then you can also send out 5,000 a month. If you go with the platinum or lifetime deal, you can have 25, and that deal is on at the moment. It will be on until the 10th of December is the final cutoff date, and then it'll go to continuity, and it'll be $2.99 a month. So highly recommend going on that deal. I'll throw a link down there in the comments below, so you can jump on that if you are on that watching this before the 10th of December 2021. And yeah, just making sure that you have that irresistible offer. So if you have your offer and it's solving a problem that your client has in your niche, and then you can also have other upsells as well. So you have a bunch of bonuses, and you sort of say, I have an issue, here's the main product to solve that, and you also have a number of bonuses or other items that go with it to add value to that. All right, now I hope you found that useful, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and also hit that bell for more valuable content, and leave a comment below if you have any other sticking points that you've had, things that you've tried and haven't worked, or things that you've tried and have worked when trying to make money with affiliate marketing. We'd love to hear your stories, and I'll see you on the next one.